Yo, I got this fucking bitch set right now, she's trying to kill him. I'll blast you with all the guns in my fucking hand, and you ain't got the shit that's worth 100 grand. Yo, I got the same shit, I'll bang all them out. I fuck them up, dog, cause they ain't got nothing out. Fuck your propaganda, I come to fucking slander ya. I don't give a fuck or what you have under me. Nigga, I be standing in a place you can't see, because I know what will bring you to your fucking knees. It's all me and you want my bitch too. I don't give a fuck what you got your shit to. Nigga, I'ma sit toast, blast you like you gotta tell me you ain't got the virus. You fucking curious like this bitch celebrity. I ain't gonna say her name cause she's not involved with this type of shit that comes to my motherfucking game. I be trying to do this shit to fucking win. I don't give a fuck, straight out the bin. Got the taste to always fucking win. I don't like your face, so I ain't gonna hear your voice. Who gives a fuck if your bitch's pussy wants? She can sit here or get fucked. I don't give a fuck, you can lay down or stay going around the round. I'll punch your fucking circle out, and I burn your fucking balls out. All the motherfucking squirrels is out, and call your fucking squad up, cause they done know, bro, they both to get fucked. They think you're fucking tough, they think your technology better than what you fucking breed. I don't give a fuck, stomp on all types of fucking seeds that you might have and click into your computer and try to say enter. I don't give a fuck what you got in your center. Your biggest gun will be taken out of your hand and beat, and you be hungry.